Hello guys, here's the next part of the Unity inventory tutorial. In this one we will handle the UI part for selecting inventory items on clicking the corresponding button. The button is the border item of the slot, and what you need to react on clicking the button is a C# script that I call item click handler. I drag this script to the border game objects of the slot, which are the buttons, but before we can use the script on button click, we need to write a method that I call onItemClicked. In this method I use the game object, which is the border of our slots, to find the image item child object. This object has a component, the script named itemDragHandler, that we use to store a reference to the assigned inventory item. Okay, and now that we have this selected item, I log out the name for testing. In the Unity editor we have to add an onClickHandler and assign the border object to be able to call the itemClicked method of the attached itemClickHandler script. We have to do this for each button, but in the end I will define the slots as prefabs that we can reuse, so that we don't have to do this again and again. Okay, now we can start and test this. I'll pick up some items, select them, and in the console you can see that the name of the selected item will be logged out, X and gem. The next step will be to add a new method to the inventory-item interface called onUse. I will use the refactoring of Visual Studio to generate it, and this is of really great help when writing scripts. After that I will implement it in inventory-item-base, the base class, and use the keyword virtual to define it as a virtual method. In the derived classes X and gem we can now override this method. In the next Unity tutorial about the inventory, we will actually do something with these selected items, or the player will do something with them. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified when the next part is online. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back soon.